Okay, so dear students, we are starting over here with the explanation of in-text questions of our chapter number 1. So we are having the first question over here. Which of the following are the matter? Now when you talk about the matter, very importantly, if you want to consider anything as a matter, there should be two things related over here. Okay, as you all are knowing that when we talk about the matter is anything which has two particular things. It should have mass and it should occupy space, or you can say it should have volume. So when these two things are there, we say that it is a matter. Depending on these two particular things, my dear students, you are going to analyze the given list. आपको एक list given है and आपको उसमें से find out करना है that which of them are the matter. Okay, so let us go for having the answer over here. Okay, so the sequence which is given to us is chair, air, love, smell, hate, almonds, thought, cold, cold drink, smell of perfume. So my dear students, out of all this, you will be having the correct answer over here as a chair, air, almond and cold drink. Rest of those which you are able to see, all those are the materials which are not having either any one of that, either the mass or else the volume. Okay, so we cannot go for analyzing that particular over here. Fine. Next, second question, we have give reason for the following. Okay, so you are having the question over here. The smell of hot sizzling food reaches to you several meters away, but to get the smell of the cold food, you have to go too close. Now, my dear students, here a very important thing which is taking place, that is what happens actually. What actually happens over here, that diffusion. What is diffusion? We have studied that diffusion means intermixing of particles. Intermixing of particles. Now intermixing of particles by their own, अपने आप होने वाला mixing. Okay, when the particles are mixed internally by its own, okay, generally we call this particular as a diffusion. So when you talk about the term diffusion, my dear students, it will be highest in the materials which are hot. Okay, when the materials are hot, the rate of the diffusion will be increased. Reason behind it, that temperature, when you increases the temperature, the movement of the particle also goes on increasing. Okay, the smell of the hot sizzling food reaches several meters away as the as the particles of the hot food have more kinetic energy, hence the rate of the diffusion is more than the particles of the cold food. Next, a driver is able to cut through a water in the swimming pool. Which property of the matter does this observation shows? My dear student, this shows that particles of water have intermolecular space and less forces of attraction. Okay. What are the characteristics of particles of matter? My dear students, what are the characteristics? Particles की पास कौन कौन सी characteristics होती है? So they are having intermolecular space, they have intermolecular forces, also they are continuously moving. Particles are continuously moving. Okay. Okay. So dear students, next question is mass per unit volume of the substance is called density. That is, density is equal to mass upon volume. So according to that, the list is given to you and you have to arrange them according to their density. Okay, so increasing density. First, air. Air is, you are having the air as a gaseous form. So gases do not have the fixed volume, and that is why you can say that it is very light. It does not have the high density. Then you are having exhaust from the chimneys, again that is a smoke. Then we talk about cotton. Cotton का थोड़ा ज़्यादा होगा. Then water. Water will be little bit more than that. हनी, आपको पता है वाटर एंड हनी दोनों में से ज्यादा थिक कौन सा होता है? हनी, ओके। देन इट वाज लिक्विड, ओके। देन सॉलिड की डेंसिटी सबसे ज्यादा होती है, सो दैट इज योर चॉक। एंड चॉक के कंपैरिजन में अगर आप मेटल्स लेते हो तो हाईएस्ट डेंसिटी विल बी देयर, सो यू कैन गो फॉर keeping it in the increasing order over here. Then we go for having the different questions over here. That is, we are going to talk about the different states of the matter. Characteristics we are going to talk about, my dear students. So I hope you are able to see the characteristics given over here. And that is, just a moment, my dear students. Okay, so what is asked over here? They are asking you about the characteristics. Okay, so characteristics in which you are able to see solid, liquid, and gases. The first character is shape. So if we talk about solid, they are having fixed shape. Liquid, they do not have the fixed shape. And gases, they are also not having the fixed shape. Okay, then we talk about the volume. Solids are having fixed volume, liquids are also having fixed volume, but gases do not have the fixed volume. Rigidity, my dear friends, rigidity is something related with the hardness. Okay, जिसका particular structure होता है जो अपना shape maintain कर सकता है उसको हम rigid कहते हैं. Fine. So यहाँ पे solids क्या है? Rigid है. Rigid है, they cannot flow. It is rigid but it does not flow, wherein liquids can flow. Liquid flow कर सकते हैं. What about the gases? Gases can also flow. Okay, इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्सेस, सबसे ज्यादा इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स किसके बीच में होगा? इफ यू टॉक अबाउट सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड गैस, ओके। सो सबसे ज्यादा पार्टिकल्स कहाँ पे क्लोज होंगे? सॉलिड में। लिक्विड में थोड़ी सी स्पेस होगी और गैसेस में सबसे ज्यादा स्पेस होगी, ओके। सो intermolecular forces will be maximum in the solid, then it will be little bit less in the liquid, and it will be least in the gases, okay. So that is what we have to understand over here. Then we talk about intermolecular spaces. My dear students, intermolecular spaces, that is to be understood. Once you understand about the intermolecular spaces, in fact you will be understanding whole concept. अगर आपको सिर्फ ये समझ में आ जाए कि intermolecular spaces कैसी है पर्टिकुलर स्टेट में, तो आप बाकी के सारे जितने भी पॉइंट्स है अपने आप लिख सकते हैं. यू कैन राइट द एवरीथिंग बाय योर ओन, ओके. सिंपल एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं. लेट अस सी विद द सिंपल एग्जांपल, कंप्रेसिबिलिटी. तो कोई भी चीज कंप्रेस कब होगी? तब होगी जब उनके बीच में स्पेस होगी. ऑलरेडी अगर चीजें एक साथ में, ऑलरेडी द पार्टिकल्स आर वेरी क्लोजर, देयर विल बी नो सोर्स ऑफ मेकिंग देम मोर क्लोजर. और ज़्यादा क्लोजर हम उन्हें नहीं ला सकते हैं, क्यों? क्योंकि वो ऑलरेडी क्लोज है. तो यहाँ पे जैसे कि सॉलिड में पार्टिकल्स क्लोजली पैक होते हैं, कंप्रेसिबिलिटी नहीं होगी, ओके. बट अगर गैसेस की बात करो तो गैसेस आर हाईली कंप्रेसिबल. व्हाट अबाउट लिक्विड्स? दे आर कंप्रेसिबल बट नॉट एट द वेरी हाई rate. They are comparably, they can be compressed but negligible, not very much, okay. So this is all about the characteristics which we have discussed about solid, liquid and gases. Now we are going to talk about the second question over here, that is, comment upon the following: rigidity, compressibility, fluidity, filling a gas container, say, kinetic energy and density. So my dear students, one by one we are going to talk about all this. What is rigidity? As I told you, that anything which can maintain its shape, okay. जैसे कि सिंपल पेंसिल है, राइट? ये पेंसिल को अगर मैं फोर्स कर रही हूँ, इफ आई एम गिविंग द एक्सटर्नल फोर्स, डज इट चेंज द शेप? नो, इट इज नॉट चेंजिंग द शेप, मीन्स इट इज रिजिड. That is why it is called rigid, okay. So that is what we need to understand. Then we talk about compressibility. As I just now told you, what is required? There should be space between the particles, and you can apply the pressure from all the side and you can bring them closer. So that is known as rigidity, okay. Next, fluidity, okay. So if we talk about fluidity, my dear students, fluidity, that is a tendency to flow. कोई भी चीज अगर फ्लो कर सकती है, मूव कर सकती है, तो हम उसे कहते हैं फ्लूइडिटी. ओके, देन filling a gas container. So, my dear students, gases have the particles which vibrate randomly in all the directions. The gas can fill the container. Okay, so this is something understood, that what exactly happens over here when you are having the gases in any container. They are occupying all the space. Even if you take a simple balloon, it is going to occupy all the space. Okay, so that is, it vibrates randomly and it exerts the pressure on the wall of the container. Shape. Solids have maximum intermolecular forces, definite shape, whereas liquid and gases do not. Takes the shape of the container. They don't have the fixed shape. Okay. Then kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is associated with all the particles, my dear students, but we can generally say that it is highest in the solid state. Okay. Density will be highest in which state? It will be highest in the solid state.